Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this using Cramer's rule. So you're given a system of equations. There's many ways to solve it. Cramer's rule is just a nice method for doing it. So the first equation is 4x plus y equals negative 25. The second equation is negative 4x plus y equals negative 9. When you're solving for x and y, it's going to be the ratio of two determinants. The bottom determinant has four numbers in it. The way you obtain these four numbers is you just take the coefficients up here. You have a 4 and a negative 4. That's what goes here. Understood that each coefficient here is to be a 1. Then when you're solving for x, the first column I call the x column. In the x column you put the constants, the negative 25 and the negative 9. The other column will match the denominator. So that's how you set this up. Now you want to evaluate the determinants. I'll start with the denominator. You multiply this diagonal, which will be 4. Then you always subtract this diagonal, which will be negative 4. And 4 minus 4 will be 4 plus 4, so the denominator works out to 8. The numerator, you multiply this diagonal, that's negative 25 minus product of this diagonal is negative 4. Negative 25 minus, that's a 9, sorry. Minus a negative 9 be negative 25 plus 9, that's negative 16 over 8, that's a negative 2. When you want to solve for y, the bottom determinant will be the same as in the x. It worked out to 8, so we already have the value of the bottom determinant. Now this time we're solving for y, so the y column, or the second column, we put the constants, the negative 25 and a negative 9. The other column will match this denominator again. So then we multiply here, this diagonal is negative 36 minus, we got two negatives, the product of this diagonal is 100. So that's negative 136 over 8, that's negative 17. So our answer is negative 2, negative 17. Now down at the bottom of the page, I checked the answer here. You just take the top equation here, and you put in this order pair, and it works out. Take the other equation, substitute it in, and again it works out. It's a true statement. Hope this helps.